Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you set a picture on your iPhone wallpaper. So if you have clicked a better picture of anything you want to put on your iPhone's wallpaper, so how can you set any picture or from your photos from your gallery, how can you set a wallpaper that will be amazing to look? Firstly, the first step is to go on your photos option on your iPhone. You will see here, click on that, and after that we will click on this, click on a picture. You just have to select a picture from here and just click on the left bottom of your screen called this send button, like this. I repeat, click on this option. Do not click on the three dot here or anything. You just have to click on this send button on the left bottom of your screen. Click that, scroll to the down, and on the fourth option you will see that is use as wallpaper. Click on that. Guys, you can just manage this photo or you can just make it zoom. You can minimize it also just by your two fingers on your iPhone screen, like that. And also you can change the color or change the filter of your screen, home screen. And there is also amazing widgets and amazing themes here. You can switch into it. This is the video and keep watching. Click on the done button to avail this, like this. Let me just click that and click on set as wallpaper. So this is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you're any confusion, any query, or any type of question regarding any topic, so just drop that question into the comment section. We will definitely make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching this.